You have some good ideas, do ya? You want to know what those ideas are worth when you don't execute on them? They're worth nothing. Ideas by themselves have zero value unless they can be brought to life. Don't let that idea die inside your head. Get them out. Bring them to life. Put them into the world. Run with them. Whatever path you're going to take, do it. Do it. Pour some life into your idea. At least give it a chance. No more waiting, no more putting it off or waiting for the right time or the right people or the right alignment of things in the world. No more of that. No more excuses. Just execution. Just go and make it happen.
A lot of folks talk so much about, hey, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Are you accountable for what you're doing? Are you accountable, and I mean to the T, for what you're saying?
It's the mind that is lacking. It's trying to find that easy way out.
You're thinking too much off the bat. Go out there and start fucking walking. Put some shoes on, start running. Go to the gym, do the elliptical trainer. It's not rocket science. Get out of your own head and stop overthinking it.
All the energy and fuel you need is right in yourself. Go into it, dive deep into it, and when you can do that, you become very unstoppable.
You guys are entitled to What you're entitled to is an opportunity to show up and be your best. You're running out of the most valuable asset, and why wait another moment not to? Who knows how much more time you have? If you have an audition coming up, or a test, or an exam, that's your name. That's the best you are right now. Make it the best you are right now. If you want that job opportunity, don't ask for it, demand the motherfucker. Stop sitting back and taking notes all day long. One day you have to graduate class, guys. One day you have to become the subject matter expert. Others try to emulate and take notes on. You must pass the gauntlet. But you have to have the gauntlet first. And who wants it more? Who wants it?